What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. I just wanted to start this video by addressing what happened yesterday with all of the uploads that didn't have sound. And so I'm on vacation and I don't have the ability to use, um, you know, Streamlabs. And since I don't have that ability to use Streamlabs, I have to upload the videos to my computer. And when I did that, the audio came through. Then I uploaded the videos. I got a copyright strike because of this TV right behind me had Shark Tank on it. So I had to blur out that image in order to upload that. And then I uploaded it, and for some reason, the track got muted. I don't know why. It was a brand new track, so I don't know how it even got muted. I literally took 2 minutes to edit it, but it took a long time to render. So there was definitely an issue there. I just wanted to address that. That's why I didn't re-upload those videos, because the audio track pulled out or was muted. So sort of giving you one of those videos and what I was talking about yesterday today, and you should expect that the next video that I upload. But this video is really all about the market flipping. The market does not look solid today. And after getting good news from, inflation and all that, now we're starting to see, a really, really bad turn. And the crazy thing is inflation data and everything that has happened there has been kind of, I don't know, positive, I would believe, right? Because you're looking at, 11 straight months of decreased inflation. But there's more that goes into it. It's not just the inflation that, has people like riled up or pissed off or whatever, deciding to, sell their positions, right? Institutions sell their positions, and retail traders and investors selling their positions. But anyways, I wanted to talk about the market. Like I said, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the links that are in the description. It does help out the channel and helps out growth and all that other stuff. So feel free to check out those links in those descriptions as well. But like I said, the crypto market doesn't really look solid today. Now, we're not going to be able to look at it on the screen. I'm going to go through individual positions and just talk about what is happening, and then also some reasons as to why we are seeing this major fall this morning, because the crypto market completely flipped, right? And I'm sure it's not just the crypto market. You may see the stock market the same way. I haven't checked it this morning, but it's definitely falling quite a bit. Like if you were seeing it drop a little bit beforehand, that's not the same right now, right? We're seeing it drop a lot more. Everything that you know and love is gone. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. So I'm going into the crypto market right now. I'm going into coin market cap right now, and we're currently down about 4% over the entire market. We're seeing a 1.1 trillion, or sorry, $1.01 trillion market cap from a level of like 1.4, 1.5, sorry, 1.05. So we're down about 1%. And just to check Bitcoin's dominance has decreased by a little bit, but it's still close to half, right? 47% at the moment. If we look at things that are trending, Pepe is trending, but it's down 8%. Cardano is trending, that's down 7%. Polygon, it's down about 6%. So Bitcoin itself is down 4%. Ethereum's down 6%, 6.5%. BNB is down another 5.5%. XRP, which is a good one, is down another 6.5%, 7% for Cardano. I just said that. So there's a lot of things that are decreasing quite a bit, and I'm trying to look for ones that are decreasing. Most notable that's decreasing quite a bit. You're looking at Toncoin, that's down about 8%. Tezos is down about 8% as well. H-bar, 8%. So anyways, you're seeing a lot of things that are falling down, and I was trying to find the reason as to why. Why are we seeing these decreases today? Is there something that people didn't like about the inflation numbers? Is there something else that was going on? Apparently the Fed chose to not change the rates, not change the rates that they hiked up. So markets drop. I have another article. Markets drop after Fed leaves rates unchanged. Now I saw some other articles that were talking about Binance and Coinbase and also Crypto.com and what they were doing, but when it comes to markets, overall markets, and seeing the market slide like that, typically you're going to see some major changes, some major issues here, and the rate hikes are definitely it. After over a year of hiking rates at every meeting, the Fed Reserve left the rates unchanged at a target of 5% to 5.25% earlier today. Bitcoin and Ether, the largest digital assets, are trading sharply lower on the news. Binance is down 3%, or BTC is down 3%, while Ethereum dropped 5%. Well, we're seeing a drop more than that. So a broad sell-off hit the rough market in 2 hours after the rate decision. The Fed's choice to stick to the current rates came to a surprise to few. The Chicago exchange, which attempts to predict the Fed moves using federal funds, future prices showed at a 98% probability of a pause going into the decision. Notably, the central bank's latest summary of economic protection shows interest rates of 2023 peaking at 5.6%, which is also above levels assuming increase of 25 basis points. This suggests that Fed official anticipates 2 more rate hikes in 2023. Lower inflation likely drove the Fed to stay its hand. The consumer price index came back, comes down year over year since peaking in June 2022 from over 9%. Year over year inflation stands at about 4%, which is the lowest since March of 2021, according to data released. Okay, so I know people are kind of confused. Some people are confused as to why we see rate hikes, and I've actually talked to some people about that. And honestly, it makes sense to me. It always makes sense to me, not saying that we saw a rate hike, but why we see things that go unchanged. If things are working and we're not back to normal, you don't change them, right? If you, let's say for people that are a fan of Terra Luna Classic, right? If you're burning down the supply and you're down to, let's say 1 trillion coins, would you stop there, or would you consistently move to see that same burning that's going on until you get down to a normal rate to where you can now, repeg USTC, re-enable the algorithm, all that stuff that you wanted to do? Probably the latter, right? You're going to keep it. You're going to keep everything the same so that you can see these changes keep happening. So currently, 4% is not the lowest inflation we've seen, or current inflation, or 4% is not, normal, right? You would expect 2 to 3% to be somewhat normal, and just to keep everything in line. So from what I'm hearing, there could be another rate hike that comes, and we could see more negativity. So this is kind of temporary negativity, which can create some buying opportunities for a lot of people, in my opinion, because of the fact that you see the rate hikes, but people know that it's going to create lower interest rates. The issue is that I feel like 11 months of decreased inflation is a lot more positive than people are taking or showing, I guess. So let me know what you think. The crypto market definitely flipped kind of upside down here today. But if you want to hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.